Hi everyone. Uh, Today is going to be fun. We shall be learning how to do construction. And remember that in our last class, I gave an exercise asking every one of you to snap some instruments needed for construction. Of the total population I have in your class, about 2 or 3 of you are those that attempted the exercise, and that was too bad. So here is my own solution, and the reason or the purpose behind giving you the exercise is to get you prepared for the lesson ahead. So I believe you can all see my screen clearly. So I have some important instruments that are required for construction. Number one, you would need a compass. So here is a compass. Even if your mathematical set is not complete, as some of you claimed, these 5 instruments you see on my screen are very important. You should have all of these. The compass is important, very, very important for construction, like I've said earlier. And together with the compass, you would need to insert the short pencil or the shorter pencil into the open end of the compass. Insert a shorter pencil into the open end of the compass. Some students are fond of inserting a longer pencil or this longer pencil into that end, and that is not ideal. Now, why is it not advisable to use a long pencil in a compass for construction? Because you are required or you're expected to hold the compass at the top end, this particular region where you can see my marrow moving over. You hold the compass at that end and twist it. You turn it either to the right or to the left, depending on what arc or circle you are to construct or draw. And if you have a longer pencil at this end, by the time you attempt turning the compass clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, there will be a disruption. The pencil. All right, so next, you will need a protractor for your construction. And the protractor is actually used in confirming a constructed angle. I believe in your previous class of construction, you were taught how to construct angles using a protractor. But in this class, our aim is to construct angles using a compass. So all we need a protractor for is to confirm any constructed angle. So by now, you are expected, every one of you is expected to know how to read or measure an angle using a protractor, because we discussed that intensively in our previous class. Next, you'll be needing a set square. A set square is used in constructing some, let's say, parallel lines or perpendicular lines. And it can also be used for taking measurements of lines. So, but in this lesson, we shall use a set square to construct parallel lines only. And after that, in your next class, you would see other uses of a set square. And here are my 2 pencils, the shorter pencil and the longer one. Like I said earlier, the shorter one is supposed to be inserted into the compass, while the longer pencil is used in drawing any line or writing of any length of side while doing your construction. And a ruler, of course, the ruler is used in taking measurements and is used in drawing straight lines. So whenever you need to make a straight line, you're expected to take your measurements and with the aid of this ruler. So these are the very important instruments that are required in our construction lesson this week. So if you don't have any one of them, please endeavor to get one for you to have a very smooth and interesting learning process. All right, so watch out for the next video where we shall be discussing some construction of some angles and some shapes. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to like my YouTube channel or to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video so that you always get a notification whenever I upload any video in the channel. Enjoy yourself and remember to keep staying safe. Have a nice time. Bye.